Happy Wednesday. I'm just gonna wait a few more minutes for people to pull in. And last week I asked where everyone is tuning in from, but I think a fun question would be, what is your favorite Beautycounter product? Just drop it into the chat. Hi, Abby. Okay, so just giving a few more minutes. I love the ceramide water cream. It's definitely become a new staple for me as well. It's also so gentle. I love how hydrating and gentle it is since I have really dry skin. Definitely. All the products coming in currently are in my lineup and I kind of feel biased, but that's neither here nor there. Okay, so welcome everyone. This is the first official Creators of Clean Live, and for those of you who joined us last week, basically this series is going to be running through mid-November, and we will be sharing 2 of 14 curated holiday sets to talk about product benefits, how to use, how to gift, all of the good things that you might want to know, and happy to answer any questions along the way as well. We will definitely be addressing as many as we can. So aside from talking about the products, I do want to mention that we have several categories this year, from body care, skincare, makeup, and we're so excited to share details about everything. We also have a really important and super exciting category, which is fragrance. And while we won't talk about fragrance this live, we will on a future broadcast. So definitely stay tuned for that. And also last week I mentioned that we will have 2 giveaways throughout each stream. So week over week, if you are able to answer a question by the end of this, then you will, if you're the first person to answer, then we will definitely be gifting some goodies, some Beautycounter goodies. Alrighty, I think that's given enough time for people to join. So I'm actually going to be doing today's live with another HQ associate. Her name is Lauren, and she's on our innovation team. So I'm going to quickly add her. Hi, Lauren.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to be here.
I know, we're so excited to kick it off. I just shared that essentially this stream is going to be all about holiday, what to expect for products, how to use, how to gift. And since, of course, you are on the innovations team, I'd love for you to just intro so people have a good idea of who you are and what you do at Beautycounter.
Yeah, of course. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, I love this series because you kind of get a behind the scenes little info and tidbits about all of the holiday sets. But like Mariah said, my name is Lauren. I'm on the innovation team at Beautycounter. I've been with Beautycounter for about 2.5 years, so quite a while. And I manage the holiday category as well as an exciting new category, and then body and sun. So I'm very excited to be here with you today.
It's so refreshing too to just see everyone from HQ be able to speak to what they do at Beautycounter so that we can all know, and I just want to know more about your role. I want to know everything, and we will get into that, which is why we're talking about holiday. But before I get into it, I do want to say I feel like you're wearing holiday shades, and I'm not sure. Are you?
You guessed it. Okay, so I'm wearing the Cheeky Clean Cream Blush in Jewel. It's a shimmering rose copper. It's so good. I love the limited edition shades. And then I'm also wearing the Lid Glow Cream Eyeshadow in Blaze. I love like gold shades. I honestly am a creature of habit, so I always stick to like golds and everything. So it's literally my favorite. It's really pretty. This one, it's just so pretty. And then I'm also wearing Beyond Gloss in shade Petunia, and then I layered it with Daisy Shimmer. So double the trouble.
I've been obsessed with Beyond Gloss. Personally, I'd say that of the makeup category, that's my one product that I can't live without. It's so good. And whenever there's the minis, I'm like, I need all of them because I'm such a sucker for putting things in my purse. Like, it's almost like a Mary Poppins bag of minis.
No, literally same. That's literally my favorite part about the minis. I keep them in my purse, in my gym bag, in my car, like everywhere.
And I think that's such a good segue for us because we will be talking about the minis today. So, and you mentioned you're wearing Daisy, and Petunia. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
I love those shades, and I'm currently not wearing anything because I wanted to demo them. But if you also want to just speak to Beyond Gloss, the ingredient benefits,
Yeah.
I'd love to learn more.
For sure. Okay, so first, let me give you a little sneak peek of the set. This is it. And these are the 4 limited edition shades. So they're all brand new. These are 4 limited edition. Literally grab them while you can. I will probably be ordering tons of these because I think these are the perfect shades for all season, but especially for like fall going into winter. I think they're really pretty and they're really versatile. And I have literally been wearing this gloss since like 9 a.m. today. So it's stayed on for quite a while and it's not sticky. I honestly, I don't know about you, and I'm sure you do too, but like I hate when my gloss gets all sticky. It just feels like so good on your lips, and it's just so conditioning and smoothing. And because we're creators of clean, all of the ingredients in Beyond Gloss are completely clean and safe for you and safe to wear, so you can feel good about wearing them and then look good too. So it's still high performing, the mini Beyond Gloss, but it's also super clean. So like best of both worlds. You can't have it all.
And I love that the Beyond Gloss as well, they have 2 shades, I believe, these 2 shades, Daisy and forget the shade name is Toffee. They have responsibly sourced mica, which is so incredible. I'm obsessed with the mission and what we do behind the scenes of how to source ingredients. So definitely my fave.
Yeah, they're really, really good. Should we do a little swatching?
Yeah, I think I haven't tried Petunia, so I'm gonna try swatching Petunia.
Let's see, and I haven't tried Toffee Shimmer. So I also love how there's like one high shimmer, like Toffee Shimmer, and then one less of a, I'll put them on my wrist so you guys can see. One like more of a light shimmer, so like the Daisy Shimmer one. You still get that like glitz and that sparkle, but it's not like super high shimmer if you don't feel like wearing that. Okay, so this I swatched Posy.
You can just tell I don't know if you actually can tell, but I've already gone through half of this.
Oh my God.
Because
it's so good. Okay, so I have on my wrist Toffee Shimmer and Posy. They're really pretty. And like such perfect shades for like fall season and going into winter. And then honestly for at all times. They're really, really nice.
So this Daisy Shimmer is so subtle and beautiful. It's like a really, really, really subtle pinky, just neutral tone. And then this is Petunia. And I'm loving it. I think this is the perfect holiday color.
It looks really good on you. Okay, also this, I love the applicator of Beyond Gloss. It's the same size, it's the same applicator as our full size. So you have that like pointed tip there, which is so nice because you can really like get into the fine lines of your lips and like right into your Cupid's bow right there, and then use the whole applicator to fill in your lips. I think that's also something that's super nice, and that not all lip glosses offer necessarily.
So
you could really get that precision there.
And I don't think we've mentioned, but this set retails for $49, and I think the packaging is adorable, like so cute for a little stocking stuffer. You can attach this onto even another holiday box. I think it's so adorable.
Yeah, you'll definitely shine while you're wearing these.
Yeah. Okay, and so for the giveaway, do you have any questions that maybe you want to field to them to see what they've taken away from Beyond Gloss?
Let's see. I think a good question would be, how many shimmer shades are in this set?
The first person to answer, we're gonna gift some Beautycounter goodies. Yes. Yeah. And just for even close up, so these are the 2 shades that don't have it. It is Petunia and Posy, Coffee Shimmer.
Yeah. Yes. I think it's Miss L Bliss. You got it right. Yes.
Amazing. Okay. And so next, I want to dive into a very exciting set that I have been waiting for. Personally, as someone at HQ, I'm like waiting for a mini So for the Countermatch set, so I'm really excited because I use Countermatch every single day for the past 3 years. And it's been so good for my dry skin. I have super sensitive skin and it's super gentle, it's hydrating, it's easy. You know, you can swap so many different products or even pair it with treatment products like Albright, Counter Time, different treatment products. It's really nice to pair with this since it's not as active.
Yeah.
But let's just dive right in.
Yeah, this set, I am obsessed with it. And I also love the minis, you know, because you can put them, you can travel with it. Like there's more. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm a horrible packer. So I need all the space I can get. And these are so perfect for like going through like the airport in your carry-on. You can take them. I mean, also like your checked bag, but they're great because they're TSA friendly.
Yeah.
So you can totally put these through TSA, which is literally like such a lifesaver whenever I travel or like do quick trips on the weekends. I mean, like it's so hard to travel with heavy products because I want all my products with me, of course. So the fact that these are cute and mini and very light, I always keep them with me. And honestly, I will probably be buying lots of this set as well. And it's actually great right now because we have a promo going on, which ends Saturday, October 7th. But if you buy any 2 or more holiday sets, you get free shipping. And I mean, who doesn't love free
I
shipping?
know. I'm literally obsessed with all the promos happening. And this set too, I just need to talk about the fact that I love the presentation. Like I'm really focusing on the packaging this year. And I really, it's so cute. It's just like ready. It's so adorable.
Right. Cute.
And yeah, this definitely is a set I'll be bringing around with me all the time. And I definitely reuse these bags.
Oh yeah.
For packing, for going to the beach. I love that.
I know, they're so good. If I have a big bag, I love to like keep all my beauty products in here so it doesn't get, all lost and thrown around in my purse. I think these are so perfect. And look at the cute gold handle.
I know. I love it.
Love it.
And so for those of you who aren't familiar with Countermatch, the first product is the Countermatch Refresh Foaming Cleanser. And this is more to me like a really buttery, smooth kind of cleanser. It's not gel-like or oil-based, but it is really nice and gentle. You can even, I know we have the Reflect Effect Bamboo Polish. You can pair this with it just if you wanted to get a little bit of extra exfoliation. And then next up in the sequence is the Intense Moisture Serum. Or actually, if you're a toner girl or toner guy, we have a toner. And this is super hydrating. I don't know about you when you use this regimen, but I kind of leave my skin a little bit damp and then apply the toner just so it really absorbs. And then, of course, pairing it with the Intense Moisture Serum because I need all the hydration.
Gosh, same. Especially within these upcoming months, my skin has been so dry and just like so lackluster. It's losing that glow that I usually have. And I put this on today and I was like, wow, I forget how good it is sometimes, but like look how glowy. I mean, it's really good.
Amazing. And what I'm noticing, I didn't realize this, but you can actually refill these. You can just unscrew and refill. So maybe you win.
You could always keep these to travel with.
And then we also have, so this is actually, I mixed this up. This is the Hydrogel Radiance Toner. This is the serum. And in order of steps, it would be cleanse, prep, treat, which is the serum. And then protect would be the either AM or throughout the day, the AM moisturizer, which is the adaptive moisture lotion. And this is so good. It's so lightweight, but so hydrating. Like so good.
Yeah, I cannot. I have like oily skin typically, so whenever I use a moisturizer, I definitely need it to be lightweight, or else it feels like it's like just weighing on my skin. So this is my favorite. I love it.
And in contrast, so this is the daytime, and then this is the nighttime moisturizer. A little bit thicker, but still feeling very lightweight. This is my favorite for nighttime. I'll even mix it with Albright oil sometimes, depending if I need a little bit extra boost, but typically it's good as is.
It's really good. And the best part about this, so for those of you that don't know, we have an in-house R&D team and a lab, and this product line was made within our lab, which is so cool, I think. And it's formulated with ingredients that are found in your skin, so that it means that it adds more increased benefits. So all that deep level hydration, and that glow, it's really good.
I love it. Yeah, and so let me see if there's any questions regarding it. So I will say the cleanser is not refillable, but potentially something we could work on and explore in the future. What I noticed is these, you can unscrew and refill. And I actually have done this even with my Counter Time minis, the carry-on minis as well. I'll just like pop in more Lipid Defense Cleansing Oil. So I would say these little guys.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're really good.
Amazing. Okay, so let's see. I think that's all the questions for now. I do want to also ask a question for Countermatch. For those of you who are listening, what is I would say one of the 3 main key ingredients, or what is it? What kind of skin type is it best for?
Let's see.
Yes, dry.
Yes.
Someone said dry. Okay. Amazing. Yeah, so it's good for dry, combination sensitive, and that is why this particular regimen is such a good intro regimen just into Beautycounter in general. And again, you can pair it with a lot of our treat steps, which is really nice as well.
Yeah. All really good. And again, I am probably going to be buying multiple of these and just keeping it like in my gym bag or as like an emergency set in my car, because you never know when you just
And at this
need
point, I'm gonna even like, put my glosses in here.
Yeah, look at that.
There's so much room in this bag, so it's perfect.
It's so good. Yeah. And with the free shipping promo, gotta get on that. And Saturday, I know I actually have to order all my stuff because I love free shipping. Who doesn't love free things? Double the trouble, all the more the merrier. So I'll be buying all my stuff while that free shipping promo lasts.
And also, just to clarify with that point, there is no minimum requirement. It's if you add any 2 holiday sets to your cart, you'll get free shipping. So definitely take advantage. I think that is such a steal. And one last thing, the Countermatch regimen set does retail for $93, so it's a $116 value, but comes at a $93 price point. So definitely check it out. And if you haven't already done so, I'd be adding another gift just to get that free shipping promo.
Yeah, 2 or more. It doesn't have to be, I mean, you could always add more. The more the merrier.
Amazing. Well, I think that is everything. And it was so nice talking to you, Lauren. I really appreciate your insight, all of the work you've done for Holiday. You've been such a pivotal, just such an important person in this process and this project. So thank you so much. And
thank you. Thank you for having me. I had so much fun. I got to do my little like Vanna White moments over here.
I know. And for anyone who's curious about further, holiday sets, diving into that, we will continue this series every Wednesday at noon. So be sure to tune in, set your alarms, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.